Albert I, ascending the throne as King of the Belgians. Albert I, born Albert Leopold Clement Marie Meinrad, entered the world on April 8, 1875, as the second son of Prince Philippe, Count of Flanders, and Princess Marie of Hohenzollern. From an early age, Albert exhibited qualities that would later define his reign: intelligence, a sense of duty, and a commitment to public service. Albert received a rigorous education, including military training at the Royal Military Academy in Brussels. His military service played a crucial role in shaping his character, instilling in him a deep respect for discipline and a sense of responsibility toward his nation. Albert's life took an unexpected turn in 1905, when his older brother, Baudouin, passed away. This tragedy catapulted Albert into the position of heir to the Belgian throne in 1909, following the death of his uncle, King Leopold II. Albert ascended to the throne as King of the Belgians. On December 23, 1909, Albert I was officially crowned in a solemn ceremony marking the beginning of his reign. The young king faced the challenging task of leading a nation that had undergone significant social and political changes during the preceding decades. Belgium, known for its complex political landscape, required a thoughtful and diplomatic leader. Albert I embraced his role with a focus on unity and stability. His reign saw efforts to bridge divides and address societal issues, earning him respect among the Belgian people. Albert I's most defining moment came during World War I. When Germany invaded Belgium in 1914, Albert led his army in the defense of his nation. His personal bravery and commitment to his people earned him the moniker the Night King. Albert and the Belgian forces played a crucial role in slowing down the German advance and contributing to the overall Allied effort. After the war, Albert I faced the challenging task of rebuilding a war-torn nation. His leadership extended beyond the battlefield to the reconstruction of Belgium, emphasizing reconciliation and rebuilding. King Albert I became a prominent advocate for peace and international cooperation. He played a key role in the establishment of the League of Nations, emphasizing the importance of diplomacy and collaboration in preventing future conflicts. Despite his efforts for peace, tragedy struck in 1930 when King Albert I died in a climbing accident in the Alps. His death was a shock to the nation, and Belgium mourned the loss of a beloved king. His son, Leopold III, succeeded him. Albert I's reign as King of the Belgians marked a period of significant challenges and triumphs. From unexpected ascension to the throne, to the crucible of World War I and the subsequent efforts for peace, Albert I's legacy endures as that of a king who faced adversity with courage, led his nation through turbulent times, and left an indelible mark on the history of Belgium. His commitment to the well-being of his people and his advocacy for peace remain an integral part of his enduring legacy.